What's up YouTube, it's Matthew here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to increase your wholesale real estate deal flow so you can close deals on a consistent monthly basis. Before we go on, you all smash that like button. Just like this video, it just helps this channel grows so other people can find information about wholesaling real estate and financial freedom through real estate. And it just helps support this channel. And comment down below on what ways are you implementing in your business to increase your deal flow, or if you have any questions regarding wholesale real estate. I usually respond to every comment on my channel, but you all are giving me a lot of support, so I may take a little bit while to reply to them, or may not, or may actually miss some of them, but comment down below. So what are 5 ways to increase your deal flow in your wholesale real estate business? So the number one way I would say is to master your marketing strategy. So for example, I do direct mail and I've done it since I started wholesaling real estate. And that's how I got my first deal and my second deal and other deals after that. And so what really helped me increase it is by just knowing and experimenting the different techniques in direct mail marketing. So for example, what color postcard, what type of font, do they like this type of letterhead? Is postcard actually better than envelopes, and different things like that. So I know what my customer wants, and once you master that, you become a recognizable face in the industry. So I have people who save my postcard and they're calling me months later. So that's amazing to think that. Another thing with mastering your marketing strategy is you have to scale up after that. So for example, if you're doing cold calling and you do 500 calls a week, if you want to consistently get more deals, you have to double that, whether that's through your work, which is calling more, or just with money, which is paying another caller to call for you so you can consistently get wholesale real estate deals. The number two way I would say to increase your deal flow is to try out another marketing strategy. So for example, yes, I do direct mail and I started with direct mail, but after about the second deal of direct mail, I dipped my toes actually into driving for dollars. And I know driving for dollars is not exactly, the same as a direct mail strategy, but that was a new avenue for me to get leads that I can send direct mail to, or even cold call. So with that, with me exploring a new strategy, I was able to increase my deal flow for my wholesale real estate business. And so for example, if you're doing RVMs, which are ringless voicemails, you can get into SMS, texting your sellers if it's okay in your state and in your county, to see if that works. And just experiment with different marketing strategies is very important, but never, especially in the beginning, do all types of marketing strategies. This comes after you mastered one of them. The number 3 way to increase your deal flow in your wholesale real estate business is to partner up with another wholesaler, or squad up like they like to say. So that's either bringing wholesale deals to bigger wholesalers in your town, or other wholesalers coming to you asking if you can help them move a property. I know for me, when I started to be more involved in the real estate community, especially on the Facebook account, and reaching out to different wholesalers and bringing them value, they were able to move my deals way much quicker. So I was able to partner with another wholesaler in town who has a bigger buyer's base than I do, especially if I dealt with properties that I don't have cash buyers for. So I was able to partner with somebody with a tornado damaged property, a fire damaged property, and now I'm looking at some land, looking to close that pretty soon, that I can partner with another wholesaler. And that just brings in more deals to your table, in your business, to help you grow. So the number 4 way I would say to grow and get more consistent wholesale real estate deal is to get back to your old leads. So recently I was able to follow up with people that I haven't spoke to in like 3-4 months, and now there's just way more interested now. And I think especially after all these recent events that's been happening, and just giving them time because they weren't that interested before, but just keeping them on that follow-up is so key. So make sure you follow up on a monthly basis, or even if it's 2-3 months, just kind of gauge their level of motivation and see where they're at. Yeah, and so I'm looking at a property actually right now where I spoke to these sellers at the end of March, and hopefully tomorrow I can have an appointment with a buyer to look at the property. So I'll keep you all updated on that. So the fifth way to get more wholesale real estate deals on a consistent monthly basis is to learn the 80-20 Pareto's principle rule, which is basically, it says that 20% of your work amounts for 80% of your revenue. And so what is it in your business that accounts for most of your deals? Is it just you talking to people? Is it you building lists and systems in place? Is it you networking with other real estate investors around your town? So be self-aware of who you are and the landscape in the area that you're in, and how your business is doing. I know that in my business, I live in the South, and so there's different strategies that works better here than in the North or in the East or in the West. And so just make sure you research, you actually learn your business to see how things are operating, and see what is that 80-20 rule in your business. I know that for me, 80% of my revenue comes from follow-ups and actually going out there, whether that's driving for dollars or just talking to people over the phone and making sure I answer my direct mail messages as soon as possible. And so I try to concentrate on that. And all these other things, the LLC, the systems, I don't really put too much emphasis on that. They are still important, but they don't count for the bulk of my business. So those were 5 ways to increase your deal flow on a monthly basis in your wholesale real estate game. And I know some of you all probably haven't got your first deal, or haven't gotten a deal in a while, but I know these 5 ways still can apply to your business. And you all, I am working on a secret project, Project X, for you all. If you all saw me on my Instagram at @BizMatthew, I put a poll. That poll is now gone. Oh no, you all missed it. But you all have been asking me for some sort of mentoring course or coaching, and so I'm working on that. So please stay tuned in for that, and make sure you guys like this video. Once again, subscribe, comment, and do all that jazz. I'll talk to you all later.